Welcome back to Tightwad Workshop. You've now built a couple of projects using the Group C toolkit, so let's add a few more items to that collection. Here's what you need to add to your toolkit to upgrade it to Group D, which adds tools for drilling holes and working with metal. This is the most expensive upgrade of the series, but it adds a lot to your capability. I bought this 12-volt cordless drill on eBay for $30. It's really hard to go past a cordless drill these days. Just make sure you buy a new one and make sure it's got a lithium battery. This particular set also comes with a useful collection of screwdriver bits, drills and sockets. You might think that 12-volt is underpowered. This is the first cordless drill that I bought 30 years ago. It's only 7.2 volts, but it's served me really well. I can't use it anymore because the battery is dead and I can't get replacements. If you do want to go up a step, 18-volt tools are generally a little more sturdy and robust and will have a longer battery life. I really do recommend a small cordless drill like this, but there are other drill options available to you, and I'll be covering those in another video. See the links in the description. Even if you're the most careful drill user in the world, from time to time you're going to break a drill bit. Based on this, I'd recommend spending $20 on this set. It has sizes from 1.5 all the way up to 10 millimeters, with more of the smaller bits that you're likely to break. I've used these bits to make holes in mild steel, so they're going to work fine even in the hardest of hardwood. The other benefit of a set like this is that when one of the bits gets blunt, you can set it aside until you have enough to make it worthwhile sharpening them as a batch. Our Group D projects include some metal work, so we're going to need a hacksaw. Even the very cheapest frame will do, but the blades that most hacksaws are delivered with are usually made out of soft cheese. Make sure you buy a higher quality 24 tooth per inch blade like this one to go with it. You should be able to buy a frame and a blade for about $10. You can usually judge the quality of a blade by its price. If you get 10 of them for $2, they're not much good. For our upcoming clamp building projects, you're going to need some threaded rod, washers and nuts. You're also going to need a couple of adjustable spanners to tighten up the nuts. I'm using 10mm and 12mm metric threaded rod because that's easily available where I live and cheap to buy. You can easily substitute this with 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch if that's what you've got where you are. Finally, we'll need a small amount of epoxy glue to make all these clamps. At the time I recorded this video, I was able to buy all of these items brand new for $82.54. If you already got some of them, or you can borrow them or get them used, you can probably equip yourself for even less. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.